Penco Tech, we are more than just a tech school. We're also a licensed child care center. Our teachers have created an age-specific curriculum, including reading, one-on-one time, and arts and crafts. Our older kids have computer time to enhance their reading and math skills. We provide delicious kid-friendly lunches and snacks each day. And of course, let's not forget the babies. Some of our guests include professional singers, martial arts experts, firefighters, and guest storytellers.
Put on quite a show. What a hoot! Folks have no clue the view that we have at the zoo. So while all those people were watching the animals were watching the people and how they acted.
Your child will enjoy outdoor time in our enclosed play yard. Watch out, NBA. Swoosh. It's nap time after a busy day. We currently have openings in all of our rooms, from our babies to our pre-Ks. Penco Tech Childcare. Give us a call today.